first aligning the epoxy, making sure it's, you know, it's even enough. It is what it is. I like it. I'm gonna start with drilling a hole in the center to keep it stationary, and then one in the front, and then I'm gonna heat probably one here and here, and then start heating the edges to bend it. Temporary grommets just to make sure that the plexiglass doesn't apply hard to the metal. Set my 5 pivot bolts. Now I'm starting to peel so I can heat it and bend it down over this crease so it lays flat. I got my 5 bolts lined up. Gonna heat this and bend it down over the edge. Woo! The block is hot. Trick is you don't stay in one spot for too long. Heat it up, it starts to fold over. When you know it's ready. And you take your wood piece and mold it.